Anytime you want to be right here, just imagine me and all this will appear. You can keep this moment all your life, forever near.
Come on, Dad.
A dream worth keeping. When you're feeling lost, I'll be your star. Just reach out and touch me, no matter where you are. In a world where precious things are disappearing overnight, just keep my star inside. I believe we found the dream that we're keeping for more than just today. And even though the winds of change may come sweeping, it's still a dream worth keeping. So don't let it fade away. Someday you might be thinking life has passed you by. Your spirits might be sinking with hope in short supply. And that's the reason why. That's the reason why. As long as it will stay.